Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your Lenovo Idea Tab Plus as a second monitor for your PC. So to do this, we're gonna need to use the Smart Connect application that is available on your tablet by default. So it is pre-installed right here. I already have it connected to my PC, but I'm gonna disconnect it so that we can quickly do it again, and I can show you how it's done. So basically, yeah, you just have to open this application on your tablet. Optionally, you can sign into your Lenovo account, though it's not necessary. You just have to give this application all the permissions, and then install the same application on your PC using the Microsoft Store. So just enter the Microsoft Store on your PC and then search for Lenovo Smart Connect. Then once you find the Smart Connect application, download and install it, and then open it. And then you're gonna have to connect your tablet to your smartphone. So we can select add a device right here, and then select pair with QR code to quickly pair your devices. And then we're gonna have to scan the QR code that we see on our PC using the camera of our tablet. So to do this, just tap the plus icon right here and select PC, and then tap continue pairing, and then let's use the camera of the tablet to scan the QR code that we can see on the screen of the computer, and this will pair our devices. So now if you want to use your tablet as a second monitor for your device, for your computer, select cross control, and then select how you want to use the cross control. So if you want to add a monitor, select extend PC display. Then here we have the Lenovo, so we can adjust the position of the Lenovo tablet on the screen like this. We can adjust the scaling. We can okay, let's link it from here. Maybe I think it will be, or maybe from the bottom. Okay, some reason it just doesn't want to link. Okay, it's because this application has crashed for some reason. Now let me re-enter it. Yeah, so it happens sometimes. Let me just reopen the Smart Connect application. Okay, and now let me link my tablet right here at the bottom. Okay, and so right now we can start using our tablet as a second monitor for our computer. So once the position is adjusted, we can basically start using our mouse that is connected to our computer to manage it from our tablet. So we can basically open the start menu. We can open all the applications that we have on our computer, and to start to stop the connection, we're just gonna have to select disconnect all displays on our PC, and this will disconnect your tablet. And that's pretty much how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.